When you say, I am tired, what does that actually feel like to you? Because here's the truth that most midlife women are not being told. Not all fatigue is the same. And if you don't understand what type of fatigue you're dealing with, you will keep doing the wrong thing and wondering why nothing is working. And I see this every single day with midlife women. They are smart, they are disciplined, they are doing all of the things, but they are still feeling tired, exhausted, foggy. Why is that? Because they are solving the wrong problems. So let me walk you through what I actually see in my practice because once you hear this, you are going to see yourself immediately. So this woman will wake up tired, reach for caffeine, they will feel better for a few hours, and then they will crash by 2, 3 in the afternoon. Sometimes she will reach another one just to finish the day. But the truth is, this is not energy. This is borrowed energy. Her body is not producing enough, so she is stimulating the system to keep going. So if you stay here long enough, depending on stimulant, your crashes gets longer, your sleep becomes lighter, your hormones start becoming very irregular and gets affected, and your nervous system becomes dependent on stimulant. And eventually, what's going to happen? The coffee, the stimulant will start working, and then you just become tired and wired. So, this is the stimulant dependent fatigue. So, how do you know this is you? How do you know you are experiencing stimulant dependent fatigue? You'll know if you cannot start your day without a stimulant or coffee. If you feel good after drinking the coffee and then a few hours later you crash, that's you. This is where your body needs real production support, not another stimulant. So this is where the energy restoration intensive protocol comes in because it will help by supporting mitochondria energy production, improving how your cells generate usable energy, reducing reliance on external stimulant. So energy becomes steady, not forced. So the second type of fatigue is the wired but tired. This is a very common type of fatigue. This is the woman that tells me, Dr. Jeanty, I am exhausted, but my brain will not shut off. So you wake up tired, your mind is always on, you struggle with sleep deeply, and when you wake up in the morning, you do not feel restored and you are running on adrenaline. But if this continues, sleep quality declines further, anxiety increases, hormone balance becomes worse, and recovery becomes inconsistent and sometimes impossible. If you feel restless, overstimulated, mentally busy all of the time, tired but can't relax, that's nervous system fatigue. This is where we support nervous system regulation, cellular repair during rest state, brain clarity, and it is huge in that category so that your body can slow down enough to recover. So the third type of fatigue is the heavy, slow, I don't feel like myself. This one hits deeper. This is the woman that tells me, I feel heavy. Everything takes so much effort. Not just tired, heavy. So the heaviness comes with brain fog, low motivation, slower thinking, and sluggish body. So if this goes unaddressed, what happens? Productivity drops, confidence drops, weight gain increases, inflammation increases. And this is where women will tell me, I feel like I'm aging faster. How do you know you're experiencing this type of fatigue? If everything feels harder than it should, if you're dragging yourself through the day, if clarity is not there, know that this is deeper cellular depletion. And this is where the energy restoration intensive shines because energy supports brain and cellular energy. Methylene blue supports mitochondria function. Time reduce oxidative stress. So what happens? You're not masking it, you're rebuilding capacity. So the fourth one, which is the last one we're going to talk about, is the emotional life load fatigue. And this one is rarely talked about. This is when the woman says, I am drained, not physically, but emotionally. Because you're carrying family stress, work pressure, other responsibilities, and other people's emotions. And over time, that emotional fatigue becomes physical fatigue because it is too much on the body, too much on the soul to carry. So that carries over to physical fatigue. What happens if you ignore this type of fatigue? You will experience burnout, emotional numbness, increased stress reactivity, and loss of joy and connection. And this is where women will tell me, I don't even recognize myself anymore because I am so numb and I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so burnt out. And the stress is so much that I'm just numb. So, how do you know you are experiencing this type of fatigue? If everything feels overwhelmed, if small things, small tasks drains you, and you have no patience, your patience is lower. So, no, this is not just emotional, but it's also physiological fatigue. This is where energy gives you capacity back because your body will have more cellular energy, better resilience, and stronger nervous system support so you can actually handle life again. Now, this is what I want you to understand. A lot of women are dealing with more than one type at the same time, and they are trying to fix it with coffee, supplements, or pushing harder. And that is why they plateau and nothing works long term. Instead of asking, how do I get more energy? I want you to ask, what type of fatigue am I experiencing? Because once you know, this will change everything. So that is why I start every patient with an energy restoration assessment, not to guess, not to throw random solutions at you, but to actually understand the type of energy that you have and also your pattern. So if you are tired, foggy, exhausted, and you're running and dependent on caffeine, start with an energy restoration assessment. Let's figure out what your body actually asking for. Listen to me. Energy is everything. And I just went over 4 types that you might not aware of. Start with the energy restoration. You see all the links below. And I can't wait to talk to you and see how we're going to address the fatigue at the cellular level to give you more stamina, vitality, longevity, overall more energy for you to function and enjoy life again. See you during the assessment. Links below.